Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to explain CSS box shadow property. The box shadow property allows us to add drop shadow to HTML element. If you want to add a shadow to your HTML element, then we can use this box shadow property. This box shadow property having 5 different values. First two values is for horizontal and vertical offset. Third value is for blur radius, and fourth value is used for spread radius, and fifth one is used for defining the color name. You can use here RGBA or any hexadecimal color value also. So what is horizontal and vertical offset? How far from the element each way. So it is used to define like your box shadow will appear how far from your HTML element in both direction, horizontally and vertically. Blur radius, it is used to define a blurry box shadow to your HTML element, and it is a optional value. And this spread radius, it is also a optional value, and it is used to define like your box shadow will how much your box shadow is spread around your HTML element. So quickly open this VS Code and create one HTML file here. Change the title. Now I'm going to launch live server. So in body section, first I am defining one h1 tag. And then I'm going to define one section here, and inside this section I'm going to take 3 divs. Give class to our divs. So first class is box, and I want to give the second class also to uniquely identify this divs. Second class is box dash 1. So just copy it and paste 2 more time and change the second class name box 2 and box 3, and give some content also here. So just give box 1 and box 2 box 3, Control S. So here we can see. Now I am going to give some style to our boxes. So I want to give some width and height to our boxes. So width is 200 pixel and height also 200 pixel. Control S, and now I'm going to define border. Give some margin also. Control S. Okay, I want to make these texts in the center. Okay, so for this I am going to define display property, display flex, Control S, and justify content, center, Control S, and align item center, Control S. Okay, so this CSS I have give to just make these boxes looks good. Now move to the our main topic, which is box shadow. So for this I'm going to target this box 1 first. So I can use this class name box 1, and this is the box shadow property. So here first shadow is for horizontal box shadow, and this one is for vertical 20 pixel, and give the color blue, Control S. So here we can see 10 pixel is for horizontal. Horizontal means on X axis. Okay, so this is the 10 pixel box shadow on X axis, and vertical means on Y axis. So this is the 20 pixel box shadow on Y axis. We can use the blur value also, blur radius. So suppose I want to use 10 pixel blur. So this is the blur property. And after this blur we have one more property. I mean, we can give one more value to define the spread radius. So what is the spread radius? It defines like how much your box shadow will spread around your HTML box. So here I want to give like 10 pixel for box 2. Okay, I don't want to change this box 1 styling. Here you can see what value I have passed. So all value same, and just I pass this 10 pixel for define the shadow, Control S. So you can see here also 10 pixel. We can see very thin box shadow of 10 pixel. One more thing, so like for this box shadow for box 1, what happen if I give the negative value here? So -10, Control S here. Okay, now it's the shadow is shifted to the left side, and for -20, then what will happen? It will shifted upward. Here we can see now the box shadow is shifted to the upward direction. So in this way you can give the box shadow. And here if I increase this spread radius, so here we can see now 20 pixel spread around the box 2. So this is the use of spread radius. And for box 3, okay, I'm going to remove this spread radius. Okay, so we can define the multiple box shadow also. So for defining the multiple box shadow, we just need to give the comma and provide the value for the second box shadow, and change the color red, Control S. So now we can see there is no much effect we can see. Okay, there is very thin red box shadow is appearing here. So you can change the value to set the second box shadow. So like first you can give the 20 pixel, and for this one you can give the 30 pixel and Control S. So here. So this is the box shadow property. Thank you for watching this video.